Welcome to The Dish, where I help healthy diners navigate Toronto's food scene.
Today is the day we answer the pressing question, are chicken burritos healthy? To discover the truth, I sent 3 chicken burritos, quesada, mucho burrito, and burrito boys to the lab for nutrition analysis. The lab results tell us this burrito clocks in with 539 calories, 13 grams of fat, and about 1,000 milligrams of sodium. The one we sent to the lab had 488 calories, 17 grams of fat, and about 1,000 milligrams of sodium. It's not all that surprising that this hefty burrito clocks in at about 1.5 pounds and contains nearly 1,100 calories, 43 grams of fat, and 2,200 milligrams of sodium. Here are some quick tips for a healthier burrito. Skip the rice, the tortilla provides you with 2 to 3 servings of grains. Stick with the high fiber beans, and load up on the fresh veggies. Don't be afraid to ask for extra. Same goes for the fresh made salsa, pile it on, and if you love guacamole, go for it. Avocados are a good source of fiber and healthy fats. I'd suggest taking a pass on the sour cream and special burrito sauce. You likely won't miss the taste, and the small tweak will cut out fat and sodium. On the last episode of The Dish, I revealed that Canada's Wonderland's funnel cake clocked in with 1,600 calories, and then I asked you if you would indulge. This time I want to know, what makes a good burrito? Is it the health factor, or how good it tastes, or is it the sheer amount of food that can be crammed inside a warm flour tortilla? Check out the online poll below. I can't wait to hear what you think. For The Dish, I'm Ogilve.